It's coming today. Oh my god. Not gonna lie, I'm actually a bit nervous right now. The delivery address is my parents' address, although it's not too far away from me, but the parcel does not require signature. Secondly, the parcel comes at 10:50 to 12:50 and I got a 2 hours meeting straight right now. Seriously though, what's with in this weather? Like, what the f? No way. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking serious? Where is it? Hello. Thank you. 我唔記得咗你喺度添。
即係我啲中學啲同學咧都 Sony 啲嘢，啲機好啊。
係啊，而家 Sony 好過 Canon 咯。呢個係。
不過你呢個夠
handheld tripod
都唔係好實喎。鬆喎，
少少。Got my parcel and some chicken. This feels super light though. Like, is the item even in there? I'm back. I'm currently using the Sony A6400 with the Sigma 16mm. Problem with this is it's very hard to vlog since the angle is not quite wide enough and it doesn't have any stabilization. Then I found out about Sony's 10 to 18mm. It pretty much have everything that I need. The only problem is they've already discontinued the product, which means I have to pick up a second-hand one from Facebook Marketplace. Oh, but one thing I didn't know, it doesn't come with the original box, but that's okay. As long as it works, right? Let's test it out. How's it looking? Oh, yeah. No more shaky footage. Oh, but I just know there's a crack there. Oh my god. I guess that's the thing about buying stuff from Marketplace.
Later that night, we went to Newtown for a monthly dinner date, which felt like the perfect opportunity to test out the new lens. As you can see, the footage was still pretty stable even when I whipped the camera like this, and having a zoom lens is such a blessing, no more constantly switching up lenses.
We bought the table light because we like the one inside. And now we're looking at this, so I feel a little bit dangerous.
I've been wanting to buy this for a long time. This exact one.
This exact one?
Yeah, maybe a different color.
Ah, okay.
Why are you buying it right now?
What do you eat?
Wait time. Oh.
It's not our first time at Fabbrica, but the first time to the Newtown store. I mean, look at the interior. It definitely deserves some cinematic B-roll. I was actually a bit worried about shooting in low light since it's an f4 lens. When I first reviewed the footage, it looked pretty dark, but after some color correction, the results turned out to be surprisingly well.
What was that?
Have to skip for ice cream.
Hello, it's another weekend. We're heading to MCA today for a photo exhibition. But before that, we're gonna get some coffee. Get a soy cap, please. Yeah, regular. Yeah, Terry. Yeah, thank you.
If you're curious on how this lamp performs, I'll just say it's even better in daylight. I used an ND filter to keep the aperture wide even in bright conditions. There was a bit of shake when I was walking, but that's because I hadn't secured the Gorilla Pod tightly, so it wasn't the lens's fault. Biggest limitation for this lens is probably its range. At 80mm, things can get a bit distant, and you might need to crop in during editing. But honestly, for a lens this compact, it's a fair trade-off. If vlogging is your main focus, this is just one of those sacrifices you might have to make. I've been using this lens for months now, and I have to say this has become my favorite lens. The fact that it has a wide angle and goes up to 18mm is a no-brainer for me, even though it's a pretty old lens, but definitely not obsolete in my opinion. It might be different if your camera has stabilization, but if yours doesn't, and you're interested in vlogging, I'll highly recommend this lens. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.